Hey guys, so welcome back another video of the Starbase update. Today we're going to understand what exactly has happened in this week of the Starbase, and since the Monday, all the activities that has to be happened in at the Starbase and progress that what the SpaceX is paving right now. So let's see and let's go through. The first that we got the activity at the Starbase since the Monday was the Flight 8 launch attempt. We attempted the Flight 8 launch attempt for the first time after it's the full stack without having the and completed the wet dress rehearsal. On the Monday, 3rd March, when we got the first Starship Flight 8 attempt, a scare attempt, attempt event where the Starship 34 and the Booster 15 has conducted the partial wet dress rehearsal in the launch webcast because the SpaceX was anticipating to launch this vehicle without having the wet dress rehearsal, which is a very bold move to get the rapid cadence. Yeah, they was right about that, but problem is there was the multiple of the errors has raised into the flight systems, and that led the entire flight delay. And after then we got the finally the ship 34 and the booster 15 uh, the like Vedras rehearsal completed in its their first flight attempt. After the Vedras rehearsal has completed, the species has decided to offload the vehicle and they stack the vehicle and check out individually both of them. So in the inspection, they found the ground spin issues. Those issues, I mean, the ground spin uh, systems, those who just pressurize the internal turbo pumps of the rocket engine, they got the lower pressurization issues. So they solved that issue by replacing that ground spin system or anything that they done with the ship 34 in its the LOX tank. I guess they just inspected there, okay. And the both vehicles stacked on the 4th March, and then we got the another attempt on the 5th March, which was aborted due to the both vehicle was not prepared yet. So on the 5th March, we got the abort of the second launch attempt, which has pushed forward on the which has pushed forward on the 6th March. The finally that time has come. But before the launch, the SpaceX has faced the multiple issues, just like the one was while the stacking the entire vehicle. While the stacking the SpaceX, the booster 15 hostage ring is the clamp system. The clamp adapters has fell down and came off, and that led the our stack delay. But yeah, that was a very minor delay that happened. After that, the little minor failure, the SpaceX set back to about the stacking procedure and find out what's the reason there why this thing has failed down. After that, the SpaceX has stacked the vehicle once again quickly, as they did not waste their time to stack the vehicle for the final flight preparation. And they got their flight 6 on the 6th March, and flight 6 did go well in the ascent phase and of the booster first stage. The booster 15 has caught by the Mikazilla arm for the third time, and after then we got the C-34 route in the suborbital phase. I guess there was not suborbital phase yet, but yeah, under the suborbital phase, the C-34 have lost completely from our the communication range, and after then C-34 had demise. And after the Flight 8 boomer, the SpaceX did not waste their time to proceed everything forward to get the Flight 9, as they implemented the transfer tube on a ship 36, and the next Flight 10 flying the ship upper stage of the entire Starship. And the transfer tube has been installed in a megabit 2, and you can see that clearly. And that's the all activity has completed at this week. But the one conclusion that I want to tell you that happened in this flight, that is the hefty damages over the GSE system of the Launchpad A. So Launchpad A sustained the heavy damages this time, this compared to the last time, the flight 7. So there is some vaporizer wrecked, vaporizers just collapsed due to the immense amount of the shock waves. They just like dismantled from their position. I guess there's a multiple hardware damages happen at the GSA. So maybe spaces will take a little bit time further to check out them and just inspect and reinstall those vaporizer. I guess that will happen within the 6 weeks because Elon has promised us that the flight 9 will happen again in a 6 week. And this is the first ever flight 9 update video, and this is the first week we're going to see what the progress will appear happen next time. Okay, so bye. My name is Godoshi watching an asset factory. I've made it sooner than possible before the flight 9. All the pre-testing camping that will conduct sooner than possible on only the ship turn T35, because booster 14 will refly in this mission. It does not need any other static fire, so the spaces will proceed ahead directly with final flight preparation. We don't need anything yet, so let's see what will happen next. Okay, so bye.